Alright guys, we're at the top of the shortest tower in CNG. 33 measly steps, but the best view of the town, the incredible countryside. I'm calling this the Ile de France. It's what I always wished to see of France, but had to settle for Paris. You just can't, I don't know if this is picking up what I wanted to, but what I see here, rolling hills dotted with olive bunches of olives and grapes just cut into the up and down side of the hills in every direction. Probably giving you a good picture of the Tuscan sky. That's not what I meant. My grandkids gave me this camcorder. First time I've used it. Boy, if this stuff turns out, it's just something to remember for a lifetime for me.
Lane's cake, please.
The church there where we went here, it's Palm Sunday. They don't use palm leaves or any palm trees, well, few. They use olive branches. How appropriate, because there's olive groves everywhere. Jeepers creepers, guys.